Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1967 Ford Mustang GT and this is by Bburago and from the vintage car series. So again, if you guys don't know about this, Bburago is acquired by Maisto. So pretty much most of the castings which they are putting out is actually just renamed. I mean, it is actually Maisto but with a different box. I mean, Bburago box, that's it. So, I'm pretty sure this actually says Maisto on the chassis. Let me show you that. I'm hoping that because if you guys following my channel for, I mean, more than 2 years or maybe from the start, you guys might know right now I unboxed this exact casting which is right over there. Let me show you. That is there. This exact casting, but that is with the Harley Davidson livery there. So that's like a Harley Davidson customized version. So they have this entire lineup in Maisto, they know, which is like Harley Davidson customized. Whereas they have this in 1 is 64, they have that in 1 is to 24. I don't know about 1 is to 18. I never bought any Maisto 1 is to 18 so far. But I do have 1 is to 24 Harley Davidson customized Ford Mustang, I think 2010 Mustang. It has this flaming livery and all that looks really cool. I think it is still, even now they are reselling that with this acrylic case and everything. And the price point went a little bit higher. Okay, so with that said, let's open this one and see how this one looks. So this one is a green color actually. So that's why I actually bought this one. I personally love this casting. Let me tell you why. This is pretty much annoying. Let me just stick it inside. I am going to keep this inside again. So here it is. So the casting is not really that heavy, but let me tell you a couple more things about this casting. See, originally I love this casting because of the detailing part. You can see here it has separate piece here, and the honestly the paint job on this one looks absolutely beautiful. It's again a glittery green. My favorite color is green and I am sucker for glittery colors, and this is a glittery green, and so I obviously bought it. So this doesn't have, I mean, it has headlight detailing. I mean, it is embossed but it is not painted here. So that is a little bit a bummer, because that one actually has headlights painted on top of it, and even the fog lamps here, that is also painted on that one, but this one doesn't have that either. So it is there but it is not painted, it's just fully painted in green. And the rims on this one looks really nice. And so the tires are actually plastic and the chassis actually has a good amount of detailing. Okay, they renamed it here as Bburago. So in that particular casting it is actually mentioned as Maisto. Okay, let me see if I can take it out. Just give me 1 second, guys. Yeah, I got it out. Okay, so here is the older casting which I have. You can see it says Maisto here, and this one says Bburago here. You can see there is a lot of difference on these two casting, in certain things. So the chassis on this one is actually very well detailed, and the tires are actually rubber, and you can see the difference here. That looks really cool. I mean, even the exhaust pipes here and everything, but this one doesn't have that much of detailing. So this one I bought it. You can see the dust inside on this one. I used to keep it open back then, so that's the reason that cost all of these things. But I really love this casting. You can see every detailing here. So that's the whole point of it. And I don't know how I lost this particular piece here. Just now I noticed this one actually has this particular piece. So let me see if I can buy one more and remove this part and put it in this one. Okay, so now you got the idea. Let me put it back. Okay, so here it is. So interior has good amount of detailing. So see, this I bought for somewhere around 500 or so, but for 500 rupees this is a absolutely amazing casting because it has all the detailings to it. I mean, maybe except for the headlight and taillight part, it does have both of those, but it is not painted. That's it. But apart from that, you can see the nitrous bottle here. That is my personal favorite in this casting, and the interior looks absolutely awesome. And the rims on this one looks, I mean, these are like specific. Those two are unique to this particular car, and this one actually has this openable engine bay here, and the engine bay has a good amount of detailing here. Let me try to put some light. Let's see if that is doable. Okay, it is a bit hard for me to show. Let me put it this way. I hope you guys can see that detailing is absolutely awesome for like 500 or 550 rupees. So I'm not seeing any other brand doing something like this, but even the interior on this one, that is something unique to this particular car. That is really neat. I mean, I would happily buy this over literally any other brand for this 500 rupees. Maybe except Tomica. I do love Tomica so much, but this one, I mean, it has good stance and everything. It doesn't have any suspension, but I'm okay with it, and I don't worry about suspension at all. If it has, then it's fine. If it doesn't, I really don't worry about it. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. It's 39 grams, not bad. Okay, let's do a roll test. I usually don't worry about roll test for these castings, but yeah, it doesn't roll really well. See, again, I'm not going to play with these castings. I'm going to keep it safe because I don't know if I'm going to buy one more of this, but it looks really beautiful. If I'm going to buy one more, that is going to be my pocket car. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's rate this casting. So, okay, I'm taking 0.5 out of 10 for the headlight and taillight details. See, I usually rate every brand, with their own aspects. I don't, mix it. So for this particular brand, I'm going with this because it has literally every other detailing. I mean, it is really neat, and it has opening part and even the engine detailing. These are like separate casted pieces inside. It is not just painted. So everything is there. Everything is unique. So I'm rating in that specific aspect. So I'm giving 9.5 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.